Ever wondered what a berry is in botanical terms? You might be surprised. In the botanical world, a berry isn't just a small, juicy fruit. It's a fleshy fruit without a stone, produced from a single ovary. This differs quite a bit from our everyday understanding of berries, doesn't it? This definition broadens the berry family to include some fruits you might not expect. So, are you ready to discover some surprising examples of berries? Let's embark on a journey of unexpected discovery and explore these botanical marvels. In the botanical world, a berry is a fleshy fruit without a stone, typically containing several seeds. A key characteristic is that they are derived from a single ovary, a fact that often surprises many. Take bananas, for instance. They may not look like your typical berry, but they are classified as such due to their soft interior, seeds embedded in the flesh, and a skin that can be easily peeled away. Next up, we have the creamy avocado. Did you know it's a berry too? Indeed, it is. The avocado, with its single large seed, is actually a botanical berry. It has a fleshy pulp and a skin that serves as the rind. Ever thought of melons as berries? Well, they are. Melons, with their numerous seeds embedded within the juicy interior, perfectly fit the botanical definition of a berry. And who would have thought that chili peppers and tomatoes, often mistaken as vegetables, are actually berries? Their seeds are embedded in the flesh, and they have a skin, all the hallmarks of a true berry. Fascinating, isn't it? Even the fruits we least expected turn out to be berries. So, to sum it up, the botanical world of berries is full of surprises. We've delved into the heart of botany to understand that berries, as we know them, have a different definition in botanical terms. A berry, you'll remember, is a fleshy fruit without a stone produced from a single ovary. We've taken a tour through a veritable fruit salad of examples. The banana, that long, curvy yellow fruit, is technically a berry. And the green, creamy avocado? Yes, that's a berry too. We've learned that even melons, chili peppers, and tomatoes fall under the berry category. It's a delightful twist of nature, isn't it? These fruits, so different in taste, texture, and appearance, all share a common botanical classification as berries. Next time you enjoy a slice of avocado or a bite of a banana, remember, you're having a berry. Stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of botany.